And this is how I've been, see, using the thermostat wires, my set of hangers. I got my hangers up there. See that? Yeah, work smart, man. Work smart. Let's see if I can try to record this. Let's see. How's that record? Is it gonna be like that? Let's see. Actually, let's see. Cut that one off. Pull the thermostat wire down. So it's always one problem. See? Now I just got to cut my wire off, put my hanger, adjust that ductwork, but look. All with a thermostat wire, using as my hanger, my hands. Much love, y'all. Much love, y'all. Hope y'all having a great Friday. Hope y'all got some good flour. Hope y'all are ready for the weekend. Stay lit, y'all.